Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making this creamy, delicious minced meat pasta. So tasty, I promise you. Welcome to the social side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're welcome to my channel. What you want to do is to bring your pasta water to a boil. Add in salt, stir very well in order for the salt to just put into the water, and then you add in your pasta. I'm making use of the penny pasta. You can decide to use whatever pasta that you like, but this particular pasta is one of my favorite pasta. I love it so much. So we are going to cook this thing until al dente. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes. This is depending on the quality of your pasta. So once that is done, drain out. I will advise that you pour cold water on your cooked pasta in order for it to stop cooking. So the next thing you want to do is to add oil to your saucepan. Allow it to heat up for 30 seconds and then saute some garlic and onions. The sauteing of the garlic and ginger should take about 40 seconds. So the next thing you want to do is to add in some chopped onions. Caramelize for a minute in order for the onions to release its natural sweetness. Add in the minced beef, spread out properly. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, thanks for stopping by. You're highly welcome. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your notifications to get notified of when I drop new videos. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and comments below. And to my returning viewers, thank you so much. Thanks for all your support. Do not forget to also like, comment, and share this delicious recipe. Keep stirring and spreading your minced meat until it gets a bit brown. So the next thing you want to do is to season your minced beef with some garlic powder, some coriander, some sage, some Italian spices, curry, and salt. I always say in my video, use your favorite spices when making your own food. Like, these are my favorite spices to use. So whichever spices you're comfortable with, go with that. But this is my flow and it always comes out so delicious and very tasty. So once you season your meat properly, stir very well. So we're going to cook this until it is a bit brown. Once your meat is properly cooked or is brown, add in some tomato paste and pepper, making use of yellow pepper. You can decide to also make use of fresh tomato instead of tomato paste, but I just wanted to go with the flow of tomato paste. Stir this properly. Add in coconut milk. You can decide to make use of any cream of your choice, but in this recipe I'm making use of coconut milk. And by the way, this is homemade coconut milk. In one of my videos I showed how to make your own homemade coconut milk. So I'll be dropping the link at the description box below for you to go and check out the video and also how to make your own coconut milk at home. So I added some seasoning cube. So you can see, if you watch very well, the first milk is more thicker and then the one that I added was because I placed my milk in the fridge first for it to settle down, for the creaminess to come up first, then I scoop it out. So if you want your coconut milk to be creamy, so that's what you should do. So I added more water to this and allowed this to cook for 20 minutes, and then I'm adding some bell pepper. This is the red, the yellow, and the green bell pepper. Stir this properly. So the next thing to make this sauce so creamy is to add in your cheese. I'm making use of homemade cheese. So before the end of this video, I'll show you how to make your own cheese. Very delicious to make. You can decide to make use of any cheese of your choice, but making use of homemade cheese, and it is so yummy and so creamy, and it's very easy to make as well. So you're going to be seeing that towards the end of this video, so stick around for that delicious recipe. Stir this properly and let it cook for 2 minutes. Add in your cooked pasta. So you need to add your pasta in bits and stir at each addition. This is to help incorporate all the ingredients into the pasta well, and this is to also help you in order for you to mix it well so that you won't have too much pasta and then it will take a longer time for everything to mix well. So just add your pasta in bits and then keep mixing in order for all the ingredients to enter well into the pasta. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to go to the comment section and drop your question. I will definitely respond to your questions. So once your pasta is properly mixed, garnish with some parsley and spring onions. Oh my goodness, this is so yummy and so delicious and so creamy, and it is very easy to make, and it's not so expensive because you're using your own homemade cheese and also your own homemade coconut milk. Very yummy. I hope you give this recipe a try. You're gonna love it. Your family is going to love it. It is very rich, very yummy, and very delicious. Stir properly and guess what? Your delicious creamy minced beef pasta is ready. So yummy. So the next thing I'm going to show you, like I promised, is how to make your own cheese. Add full cream milk into a pot. You need to stir this at interval. This is to help balance the temperature. Well, I'm not cooking with thermometer, so I cannot tell you the right temperature at which your milk should be, but very important, your milk should not cook. Your milk should not boil. That's the right word. Your milk should not boil up. Just stir at interval. This is to just to build the temperature in between the milk. So you just want to cook this for about 4 minutes, and then you add your vinegar. So I'll be dropping the ingredients measurement at the description box below, so just go well and check the description box for you to know the list or the measurements of the ingredient. Then add in your vinegar. That's what I said before. Then stir this for 30 seconds. Please be mindful of the time. 30 seconds. Once you've done that, just bring down, allow this to cool for 10 minutes. So the milk I made use of is powdered milk, full cream powdered milk. I just added water to it and mixed it very well. I was very generous with the milk I added, and then I just added water. And you can see from the video the milk is creamy, so I made use of full cream milk, and the brand I use, if you're in Nigeria here, I made use of Dano. I've tried other brands before, it didn't really work well, so I always just stick with Dano full cream milk, and it always comes out perfect. So once your milk has rested for 10 minutes, then just pour it out into a drainer or a sieve or a cheesecloth, and then squeeze out the water. You want to squeeze out the water very well. So once you've done that, voila, your cheese is ready. Homemade cheese. This is so yummy, so delicious, and it is very creamy. So for you to preserve this, you need to add salt to it, and this will also give your cheese another flavor. So just season it with some sprinkle of salt, and then you can store this in your fridge for like a week or so, and then you can also use it to cook. So I use mine to cook almost immediately. So after making this, I used it immediately to cook our delicious pasta recipe. But it's very important, like I said, to just season with some sprinkles of salt. This is to help preserve it, and it's also help to give it taste, to give your cheese some taste. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you try out this method of making your own homemade cheese. I also hope you're going to try out this delicious pasta recipe. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm just saying hope and so you can decide to form your cheese to whatever shape that you want. So this is a shape at which I wanted my cheese to be. So that's it. So I just placed this in the fridge for some minutes until when I was ready to use it, making my delicious pasta. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.